Welcome to AJ Manufacturing and our state-of-the-art 70,000 square foot manufacturing facility centrally located in Kansas City, Missouri. For more than 40 years, we've specialized in air distribution products for critical environments and other commercial building applications. Our sophisticated equipment, technology, and personnel allow us to offer fast turnaround on both standard and custom designs, meeting tough job site challenges and helping to keep construction projects on schedule. It all starts with order processing. The specifications for each product are entered into our proprietary product configurator, which automatically creates 3D smart models for all standard products and transmits them direct to the shop floor. Custom orders are sent to engineering. Our experienced team of engineers uses the latest 3D software to design all new and customized products. Final designs are converted to smart models, which include all the information necessary to complete the order. Models are sent electronically to the appropriate machines in the plant. Each job is first transmitted to our laser cutting department. The 3D software flattens the product image, separates it into parts, and lays out the parts as efficiently as possible, minimizing waste and speeding production. Operators can quickly shift work between our two high-speed lasers, keeping both running virtually non-stop to maximize productivity. Our state-of-the-art fiber optic laser provides the ultimate in speed and accuracy. The fiber laser head cuts at speeds of more than 4,000 inches per minute, delivering precise cuts with superior edge quality. Our automatic tower loader allows the fiber optic laser to run 24/7, continuously cutting parts from various materials and a wide range of thicknesses. Once parts are cut, they move on to our CNC press brakes. The machines are networked and the bending process is digitized, generating a computer program for each part. The press brakes offer fast, precise bends that are virtually identical part after part. When all bends are complete, a barcode is applied to each product, tying it to a specific order and ensuring order accuracy. After bending, many parts move on to our robotic welder to have the seams permanently joined. Like all of our automated processes, the welder is computerized, resulting in perfect seam welds time after time. For airtight products, that means no air leakage in the field. Our two robotic roll formers are used to produce the fins and blades for our wide range of grills and dampers. Rolls of material go through a series of bends inside the formers and are then cut to size with extremely consistent results. To assure optimal performance and a perfect look, products go through our custom-designed and built wash system to remove dirt and oils. Each part travels through a heated alkaline wash cycle, a heated deionized rinse, a fresh water rinse, and a drying oven. After washing, all products are either polished or powder-coated. We have a wide range of polishing equipment to accommodate our various types and sizes of products. Each machine creates a uniform, ideal finish every time. For powder-coated products, the powder is hand-applied to assure complete coverage, including an antimicrobial powder that is ideal for critical environments. Parts are then slowly heat-cured, resulting in a durable and attractive finish. Some hand assembly is required for most products and is performed by our experienced and well-trained production staff. Each step in the process is given careful attention to detail and must meet our stringent quality standards. For critical environment products, all welded seams are tested in our custom-built test booth, which can detect particles as small as 0.12 micron. The booth replicates the tests done in the field to certify clean rooms, assuring our products meet the latest IEST standards. Our focus on quality and attention to detail doesn't stop until the order leaves our dock. To minimize damage during shipping, we create a custom box for each individual order, including spacers and corner guards for larger items. Pallet loads are carefully stretch-wrapped for added protection. From the initial design until it goes out the door, during every single step of production, each product at AJ Manufacturing is designed and built with a focus on quality, precision, and efficiency to assure our customers get exactly what they need when they need it. The result is a finished installation with the look and performance that meets or exceeds all expectations. To learn more about AJ Manufacturing and everything we can do for you, just give us a call or visit us online.